Australian police clashed with anti-lockdown protesters on Saturday. In Melbourne, officers were seen pepper spraying a crowd of thousands as they swarmed police lines. 7 police officers were hospitalized and hundreds of demonstrators were arrested. The scuffles came after State Premier Daniel Andrews expanded a lockdown in Melbourne to the entire state of Victoria. Police there vowed to hand out fines of $3,900 to those they could identify as having taken part in the protests. Elsewhere in Sydney, riot police broke up a planned anti-lockdown march in the city centre and took several people into custody. The unrest came as the country reported its highest ever single-day rise in COVID-19 cases. Most of the nearly 900 reported cases across Australia on Saturday were found in Sydney, the epicentre of the Delta variant-fuelled outbreak. The country's Health Minister, Brad Hazzard, described the situation in New South Wales as very serious and urged people to get vaccinated.
There is no time now to be selfish. It's time to think of the broader community and your families. If you are actually spreading the virus, you could be responsible for people's deaths.
Australia is battling its third wave of infections, which began in Sydney in mid-June. Officials in New South Wales said on Saturday that nearly 100 people were active in their communities whilst infected with COVID-19, and that there have been a number of breaches in public health orders that have slowed efforts to curtail the outbreak.